So it's Saturday, September 29th. It's about 50 degrees out, believe it or not. I'm going to do a cold start on this 55. She's pretty beat up, and the motor is very tired. Let's see what happens. It's been sitting about probably a month. Hopefully going to change the hood today when I got off of Marketplace. Put the ground on. Let's see what happens. I'll set you up somewhere else. Forgive my filming abilities. Fired up. Smoke's really bad when it first starts. I'm gonna probably change the front rims out today also because it sits outside. Small block Chevy, I believe, at 350.